In the rich tapestry of British motoring, few models embody the spirit of post-war sports car enthusiasm like the 1959 MG MGA Twin-Cam Roadster. With its sleek lines, advanced engineering, and racing pedigree, the Twin-Cam was MG's bold leap forward, born to compete on the track and thrill on the open road. But among MGAs, the Twin-Cam is especially rare and revered. With fewer than 2,000 built, each one represents a unique chapter in automotive history. This particular Twin-Cam has undergone a stunning, detail-driven restoration, faithfully returning it to the exacting standards of its era while blending in subtle upgrades to enhance reliability and drivability. Every inch of this car tells a story. The striking bodywork finished in classic white, the contrasting interior in deep red leather, the perfectly aligned shut lines, and the finely polished chrome all reflect the immense care taken to honor its legacy. Under the hood sits the famed 1588cc DOHC engine, MG's most ambitious and technically advanced power plant of its day. Though challenging to develop and maintain, in skilled hands, it delivers an experience that is pure vintage performance, lively, responsive, and mechanically elegant. From the knockoff Dunlop wheels to the detailed restoration of its suspension and braking system, this Twin-Cam was built to move, whether through tight back roads or vintage rally stages. The dashboard is a time capsule of 1950s sports car ethos, minimal yet purposeful, tactile, and beautifully finished. The MGA Twin-Cam was never just about transportation, it was about connection, between driver and machine, between heritage and motion. And today, this beautifully restored example stands not only as a tribute to MG's engineering ambition, but as an invitation to drive into the past with authenticity, style, and soul.